Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. CUDA, Compute Unified Device Architecture, is a parallel computing platform and application programming interface model created by Nvidia. It allows developers to use Nvidia GPUs for general-purpose processing, parallel computing. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use CUDA in Python on a Mac system. Please note that as of my knowledge cutoff in January 2022, Mac systems may have limited support for Nvidia GPUs due to the transition to Apple Silicon. Make sure to check for the latest updates and compatibility. Nvidia GPU, ensure that your Mac has a compatible Nvidia GPU. Note that the latest Mac systems with Apple Silicon, M1, M1 Pro, M1 Max, do not support Nvidia GPUs. CUDA Toolkit, download and install the CUDA Toolkit from the Nvidia official website, https://developer.nvidia.com/CUDA-downloads. CUDNN library, if your application requires deep learning, you may also need to install the CUDNN library from Nvidia, https://developer.nvidia.com/cudnn. Python environment, set up a Python environment, preferably using a virtual environment. You can use tools like virtualenv or conda for this. Before we begin, ensure you have the required GPU accelerated libraries installed. You can install them using pip. Now, let's create a simple Python program that utilizes CUDA for parallel processing. We'll use the number library, which allows us to compile Python functions to CUDA code. This program defines a simple CUDA kernel that adds corresponding elements of two arrays. The number library is used to compile this function to CUDA code. The main program allocates memory on the GPU, launches the CUDA kernel, and copies the result back to the host for printing. Ensure that your CUDA installation is correct, and the GPU is detected. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the result printed in the terminal. Keep in mind that this example is minimal, and real-world CUDA applications can be more complex. Additionally, make sure to consult the documentation of libraries that you use for any GPU-related functionalities. ChatGPT.